Hi everybody! Today we're going to make a foil mermaid. Start out by gathering your materials. Sketch out and paint your background on the large white sheet of paper, then set aside to dry. Cut out your mermaid tail template. Trace your template onto the aluminum foil. Color the aluminum foil mermaid tail with markers. Permanent markers are preferred, and allow them to dry. Use a blue or black permanent marker to draw a scale pattern on top of your colorful aluminum foil. Cut out the mermaid tail. Place the tail over the person template and draw a line where you're going to want to cut it off. Draw the face for your mermaid. Cut out the body of the mermaid. Glue the mermaid body and the tail to your background. Now it's time to add some decorative elements to our mermaid. We're going to use some yarn to give our mermaid some hair. Feel free to be creative. You can give them a bag or a belt. Use your materials to add decoration to the background, create seagrass, ocean creatures, or anything else that you want to add to your scene.